you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Yo, what's up guys? Mr. Clark Griswold here. I just want to go over our plays from today really quickly. All the setups that I put out on Twitter and on the video that I put out last night. So we'll go through AMD first. AMD. We had our triggers set at the high or the low of the inside bar. We triggered low and we hammered it. You would have made really good gains on AMD if you would have jumped in on that one. Dollar Tree was another really big winner. Go to Dollar Tree here. Again, we set our triggers at the high and the low of yesterday's inside bar. We broke that. And we hit targets here. We went all the way up to 130. What did we go to? 133.06. Major gains there as well. You would have made your week with either AMD or Dollar Tree with option plays. Coke. We set triggers on either side of our inside bar from yesterday. We had a 3-1 or a Holy Grail. Rich from Trading Wars would call this a Holy Grail. And we didn't break the high or the low, so we have a double inside bar here. So for tomorrow, we're going to look for a break to the high side of 61.19 as indicated by this purpley pink line. Or we're going to look for a break of the low of today's inside bar at $60.55. I'm going to say this most likely goes to the high side. I don't know, but we are green. We were green today. We're green on the month, the quarterly, and the yearly. And if we look at the yearly or the weekly, we're not that far off from going green there as well. So I would be looking for calls here, but it could go either way. If we go to Visa, Visa was another inside bar. You could have taken this play on the break of the high of this inside bar here, and you hit targets at 218.21, which is off of this candle here. You would have made good money there. And then we hit an outside bar as well, so you could have played Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule and had targets here as well, and you would have made really good gains going the opposite way. BIDU, an outside bar, not much there. We broke the high of the outside bar, and you would have got stopped out on this one if that's what you would have played. You can look for a possible 2-up continuation tomorrow with the time frame continuity here. D-Dog, Dog Inc. outside bar. If you would have played it, you would have just broke it, and you probably would have got stopped out on that one. Roblox, RBLX, we had an outside bar. We broke the low of that outside bar from yesterday, and you could have taken this one for good gains. UPST, Upstart Holdings, we had an outside bar. We didn't break the high or low of that outside bar. We are showing inside bar. And we have full time frame continuity to the downside, so we are going to look for the break here on the inside bar of 105.49. So we break 105.49, and you can buy calls on this one. Unity Software, you had an outside bar. We broke the low. You could have taken gains there as well. You would have had a good day there if you would have played that trigger. BK, the Bank of New York. So what happened here? We've got a high of 63.22 yesterday and a high of 63.20. So it's not showing. We wouldn't have broke that trigger there, I guess. And you could have played this bottom trigger for a continuation to the downside. And again, you would have made your whole week if you would have jumped in on that trigger. We didn't have it listed, but that would have been your trigger at 61.52. And you would have hit targets here, 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 and here. And it looks like they filled the gap back from January 3rd. So that would have been a really wicked play to take this morning. LLY. I was looking for a reversal up. We had that. It was short-lived. We did come close to hitting triggers, so again, you would have made money there if you would have played that trigger. And that's it for the plays. I'll see if I can get something out to you guys later today for the plays, for the setups for Thursday, January 20th. Talk to you soon, guys.